Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete Amazon Prime Video watch history. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your browser, and on the search bar simply type in amazonprime.com. And once you're here, be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you are logged into your account, on top bar you'll be seeing a bunch of options, and among them you'll be seeing the option Prime Video. Simply click on it, and once you click on it, here what you need to do is head over to the top right corner of the screen, and then here you'll find this settings icon. Simply click on it, and once you click on it, a drop down menu or a small pop-up menu will be shown something like this. Simply select the option that says settings. And once you select settings, here you will be sent to your Amazon settings page. Now here what you need to do is select the option that says watch history. Now simply click on it, and once you're inside there, under your watch history you will be seeing the list of movies that you have watched previously. Now in order to delete it, all you gotta do is simply click on delete movie from watch history, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.